Hi, good afternoon. Today is Sunday. It's Sunday afternoon. I am home. I just arrived home an hour ago from our 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. church service at Victory Church in Sorsogon. It was a great service today, um, led by Pastor um, Buena Obra and Pastor Alan. And then we had a great worship music as well. So anyway, how am I feeling right now? I'm okay, I guess. Not too much on my mind right now, which is a good thing. I am resting, getting ready for another week that will come. I'm feeling better. I'm okay. Not too upbeat, not too down. Just enough. Just fine. I'm good. Um, I'm not happy. That's for sure. For now, I'm not happy for now. There's just so many things that really um, can't put into words. I know I haven't really done this in a while, and I don't have an energy to say anything, but I feel like I need to. So while I'm laying down, getting ready to take my afternoon nap, which I probably won't get anyway because it's already almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Um, I might as well say something, and I am trying my best not to drop names or say things that I might regret later. So I just wanna share things about things that I've observed recently that is thankfully is changing already because maybe because I said something about it, or maybe because they just got tired of it, and they felt like they're just wasting their time for nothing, or they're waiting for nothing, right? So for how many months, almost a year or more than that, I have been complaining about these noises that I have been hearing, um mix of different noises from different sources that I don't know who. I don't know who these noises are coming from. Where are they coming from? And I was thinking of so many different things. I was like, maybe it's from it's from outside, maybe it's from the other house, um maybe it's from the radio, maybe I don't know. But I've noticed even when I was driving and I had my radio on, there were some noises that sounds familiar to me, that as if they came from where I came from. It's as if there is a microphone connected to the satellite or radio, speaking, like it's on time with what I am doing. It's like something break into my mind, and it's remote controlling me. As like someone's running my mind. I'm sure it is not heavenly, because the things that came into my mind is not godly. I've been I've been hearing so many things for humiliation purposes, like this. These voices are saying, humiliating words, like I don't know. Anyway, so but thankfully I'm glad that the noise is little um going away, because they're not really gonna get anything out of it. But I have a big question though: who let this happen here? When I was in the US, I never experienced this, um that I would drive and you would hear noises that's so familiar to you, from the radio. And I mean, I had when I was in Falcon Heights, I felt like I was hearing my neighbors say things that I've heard from work. It's like being repeatedly. It's like that's probably when the word virus started. Like you heard a certain words from your work, and then suddenly your neighbor got them, and then when you got home, they got it. It's like the word trouble with me. I don't know. I'm not overthinking it, but that is my question. I didn't realize that there. The speed of sound, the speed of sound, and the speed of light is is what is the right word I'm looking for? These words are traveling along with the speed of light and the speed of sound. How did it happen? What are the things that what is this technology that make this happen? I know for sure that satellite is there, in connection is there. So there's this big word, connection. Connection. How do we connect to the internet? We're connecting to the internet um through satellites, right? What else? God, I don't want to crack my mind thinking of so many different things, but I just want to focus on the task at hand. The more that I am learning, the more that I am getting more aware of what's going on right now, the more I feel so ignorant. The feel I feel so left out. I am getting this FOMO, fear of missing out, that if everyone is has already accepted the fact that this is normal, that this is us, this is the new generation, that you have to accept that we no longer live in the past, that we are already transparent. It's as if our mind has a bubbles already. Like if you see a person, there is already a bubble that you can read what are they saying about you. I mean, they are not, they're not disclosing who they are, where they're from, but it's more of like this bubbles is telling you something like you're a Teletubbies where you have an antenna, they have an antenna, and you're communicating to each other. And for the most part, I mean, before I was getting a mix of both, lab radar and criticism radar. And the worst part is some people who probably has this bubble doesn't have this self-control, and they ended up saying it out loud that you can hear them. And I was like, wait a minute, maybe that is what I'm getting now because I prayed for the truth. And sometimes the truth may be harsh, but it will set you free. Sometimes the truth is painful to accept, but it is the truth anyway. The truth is not always laced by sugary, coated, vanilla, chocolatey, strawberry words. Sometimes it's straightforward, direct, sharp, and hurtful, and I am getting that all the time. There's so many words about me that I don't agree with. I don't agree with you that that is your perception about me, but then again, I realize that is your truth about me, and I'm not in control of changing your perception about me. You are more than welcome to think whatever you want about me. That's why we have our free will. So you are entitled to think about me, and if that offends me, then I can also say, I don't like what you're saying. Please stop, because I'm also human. I am subject to emotions. I know that you are taking delight of hurting me and pushing my buttons for what? Because for how many years you are under the impression that the more you push my buttons, you're gonna get this gratification, self gratification, and believe it or not, they even thought that depending on the color chart, the color emotions, um, that is the thermostat of the day. Like if we started the day red, then they thought red is hot. But for me, red is love. But the standard rule, I think, is if you make me angry and I reacted to it, then they thought they won. What kind of prize did you get out of it? Nothing, right? And what about if I feel happy, then it's yellow, right? Because it's sunny. Or what about I feel down and depressed, black? Because it's the color of death? What else? That's how it started, right? So people keeps trying on testing my emotion to see what is the color of the day. It's like I am not this mood ring where whatever emotions you have, it will change color. Or this octopus that you can buy online, that depending on the emotion, it will change the color as well. You know? How what kind of mind? What kind of mind do you have? Who are you? Who do you think you are? Because the more that the more that I dismissed the effect, the more that I ignored it, it is being repeatedly said to me, it will not stop, it will not be put into ending, it will just keep happening over and over again. I can go to Australia, I can go to Saudi Arabia, I can go to Thailand. I'll probably have the same thing as well because we have not caught, we did not pull out the weeds. We just trim it. We just put a temporary stop to it, but you didn't realize that this tree, this seed, keeps on growing and growing and growing until it became a tree, and then it bear fruits. And then, who knows what will happen, that this tree bear fruits, and this fruit bear seeds, and then it keeps growing and growing until we get this forest of infested words. How can we cut this? How can we stop this? Do I have to tell you my life story in order for you to do it? What else do you want me to do? Do you want me to keep showing you what I've got? That I can do this, I can do that? Do you want to keep pushing me to my limits to see what are my talents, what are my gifts? And then if you think that I'm good at this, you'll get another opponents to match me with it because you want to put another competition that this one is better and you're not, right? If you see that I am blooming this, there's something to match me. That's been the story of my life. But what kind of reward I'm getting? Nothing. I'm still here at the same situation, looking and hoping and praying that my life will be better than how it was before. Do you expect me to lie? Do you expect me to pretend as if nothing is happening? I will not do that. I will keep telling my truth regardless if it's uncomfortable, I don't like it. I'll say it anyway. Anyway, how did this battle started? I don't know. I'm just guessing. Maybe my guess is not accurate, but let's see if you can connect the dots and let's see if it's real or not. Anyway, I'm gonna take another video after this and talk to you later.